Oh boy, it is time to make the hackerman. Now what I got for you guys today is another laptop. Well, I haven't showed off many laptops here, but here we have a ThinkPad T470. And right now it is running shitty Windows on an old hard drive. So, what are we to do about that? Well, 250 gig SSD, Kali Linux. Now here's a bit of irony for you. Ready? I know I've made fun of Windows, but I do dual boot and I do have a reason for it. And now we're just gonna flash Kali Linux real quick. Let's just let that finish. I guess cancel. I don't care. Oh well. Time lapse. Really doesn't need to validate, so flash completed. Now it picks up the EFI, and we're gonna pause. Now what we're gonna do is transition over to my very messy ADHD desk, and I apologize for the angle of this, since this was the best I could do. But yeah, we're gonna start unscrewing this. Actually, I should take the battery out first. Just put that here for now. Ooh, that bad boy popped out. I'll just place you back in there. Now we'll start prying. And welcome to the inside of the computer. And I guess there's no case or anything on the hard drive. So we'll just... Oh. Looks like... I'll just pop him out. Piece of shit. Good boy. Only 250 gigs though. But yeah. Now just pop him right back in. Place him down. Make sure the case goes all on nice and flush. All the stupid little plastic snaps back into place. And time for the screwiest part of this video. Battery goes back in, like so. Other screwdriver goes on desk. And ThinkPad goes on top of S3. Now, no F12. Oh, here we go. Screw you, Windows. I'll go into the install. Time lapse. Okay, we're here. US, American English. And no, we're not going to be connecting to the internet. And I know you can't see shit. And I'm gonna try and bring this closer. That's about as close as I can get this stupid fisheye camera. Yeah, I don't care. No, we're not gonna configure network at this time. And we'll call it hackerman. Cali pirate. And I will be back in a second. Now, since this is a drive I'm obliterating, we're gonna use guided and setup encryption. 256. It's 256, not 250. All files in one partition. There's a reason why I'm doing that. Now the cool thing about a banana is you have this side that most people open it from. But really, you're supposed to open it from here. Pinch. Peel. 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 And peel. Suck a ThinkPad. Now it should be starting the install. And we'll just... Okay. Continue. Finish. Write the changes to disk, of course. Okay, now we have our desktop environments to choose from. No, we don't want XFCE. We'll install GNOME. And continue. Okay, and the installation is complete. So now we'll just reboot it ourselves. Let it boot up. Okay, and we are in Kali Linux. So, do we have neo fetch? Oh. Update and apt install neo fetch. While that's working, let's go through some of the tools that come with this. So, no neo fetch. Okay. Never mind. So we have Sewell, Aircrack NG. There's some basic tools. Oh. Here we go. Evil Win RM. Okay. EXE to Hex. So it's actually got pretty good suite of tools here. Now we'll just pull up our hardware information the noob way, which is to go into settings. I might as well use the track point at this point. And it's still awkward for me. Whatever. Okay, so we have a 7th Gen i5, 4 gigs of RAM, which honestly is not much, but for the purposes of a laptop dedicated to pen testing, this is enough. Now, do we have Wi-Fi? Oops. Yep, we have Wi-Fi. Control C. Now we're going to attack my own Wi-Fi network. So now it's in monitor mode. Don't actually want to attack it though, I'm just showing off the tool. And we're going to hit exit. And now we're going to ifconfig. Okay, so we're going to go airmon ng stop and 0 mon. Now it should be exiting monitor mode. Hold on. Gonna connect to my own Wi-Fi. So it turns out the reason why it wasn't able to install NeoFetch was because I forgot to connect to Wi-Fi. So now we'll just get all the packages we need. Yes, continue. Now we'll do NeoFetch. Boom. And we're running Kali. Now we'll just end the video off on Bad Boy Box. Alright, I kind of thought of this on the fly, so basically I just decided, I might as well throw something together. Figured I have this ThinkPad, might as well show it off a little. I hope you guys enjoyed this though, and thank you.